Hi guys, hi car enthusiasts, welcome back for a new vlog. Today we will head out to the garage for the winter summer tire swap. So you will see the car switching from winter tire to summer tire. The summer tire are the one delivered from the factory, so it's the Michelin Pilot 4 on the special summer rims. So I'm very curious to know how the car will behave on the summer tire, because it's a very different rubber from the winter tires. And also we will have the dashcam installed. The dashcam is a Ford integrated Sync 3 dashcam, which should have been delivered with the car, but unfortunately because of chip shortage and a back order, it couldn't be delivered when we pick up the car. So today they will install the dashcam and we will see how it behaves. What are the options? I think out of my head there's multiple choices. It can record footage when there is an accident, so it's also kind of a black box, which can be handy with your insurer. It's also recording automatically when it detects shocks on the car, so when you park, for example, so that could be also handy. And you can also activate the dashcam on your own request, so that could be also helpful for our vlogs and or footage to combine with the different GoPro and vlog camera that we have already. So it's a nice add-on to the car. So we will see how they have installed it, how it's integrated, and you will appreciate the car on its summer tire, which are, by the way, 18 inch compared to the winter tire, which are 17 inch.